The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is a dietary plan designed to help prevent and manage hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. The DASH diet emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-rich, whole foods while reducing the intake of sodium. It was developed by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NHLBI, part of the National Institutes of Health, as a non-pharmacological approach to managing blood pressure. Key features of the DASH diet include emphasis on fruits and vegetables. The DASH diet encourages the consumption of a variety of fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods are also naturally low in sodium. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are preferred over refined grains. Lean proteins. The diet includes sources of lean protein, such as poultry, fish, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These protein sources are lower in saturated fat, compared to some red meats. Dairy. The DASH diet includes low-fat or fat-free dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, which provide calcium and other essential nutrients. Nuts, seeds, and legumes. These are encouraged as sources of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Limit red meat and sweets. Reducing the intake of red meat and sweets is recommended in the DASH diet. Instead, it emphasizes plant-based and lean protein sources. Moderate sodium intake. The DASH diet is designed to be lower in sodium, which can help lower blood pressure. This involves reducing the use of salt in cooking and being mindful of sodium content in processed and restaurant foods. Moderate alcohol consumption. If alcohol is consumed, it should be done in moderation. For women, this means up to 1 drink per day. And for men, up to 2 drinks per day. It's important to note that the DASH diet is not a short-term solution, but rather a long-term approach to promoting heart health and managing blood pressure. It is often recommended in conjunction with other lifestyle modifications, such as regular physical activity and weight management, before making significant changes to your diet. Especially if you have health conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that the plan is suitable for your individual needs and health status. Thank you for your visit to Get Off the Meds. If this video helps or informs you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. It will help me to keep providing you this helpful information.